Hi there, from the heart of a professor. Welcome to my blog. And for this evening, I'm going to present to you a very unusual way of blogging. I would like to present to you my recording of the carillon bells of the Basilica Minore of Our Lady of Peña Francia in Naga City, Camarines. You know, the use of bells is very ancient in the practice of the church. And in ancient times, bells are, before they are made use of in churches, they are blessed, consecrated, and they are baptized. Because these objects are not just simple objects, but rather these are objects meant to call the faithful to prayer. These are the things that makes bells special and holy because they are the instrument by which the faithful are summoned to prayer. It is as if and they said that we have a tradition in the church that the devils are afraid to listen to the bells, and they don't like the sound of the bells because they know it is the sound that calls the faithful to prayer, and it is always anathema to them because they do not believe in God and they do not obey his commandments. And so therefore I would like you to enjoy the beauty of the sound of these carillon bells. These carillon bells are operated digitally by a computer. Unlike in ancient past, carillon bells are operated manually. And we have people we call campaneros. These are the people who are in charge of the ringing of the bells. But with this advent of modern times, we make use of computer operated carillon bells. So these carillon bells are a combination of different bells, different sizes and different sounds, and when they are played, they sound like a symphony orchestra, giving God honor and glory and expressing our deep faith in God and in the church and in this abiding commandment to pray without ceasing. So I hope, my friends, that you will enjoy listening to these bells.